Hey folks, so we are here in Nashville, Tennessee, and we're about to head out and go sightseeing for the day. So come along and see what there is to see in Nashville, Tennessee. Hey folks, we're here at the Row restaurant near Vanderbilt University and just enjoying some grub. Got a couple of Bloody Marys here. There's Fiona. Hey Fiona. So we're gonna enjoy our beverages and then go out on the town and check out some more. Hey guys, so we are here at Yehaw Brewery. Let me show you. Yehaw Brewery. Hey everybody. So we are here at Yehaw Brewery, and as you can see, it is pretty exciting. I'll show you some clips on the inside, but it's such a great spot to come if you're in Nashville. You have big TVs, you have all sorts of stuff, little igloos if you want a private party, and yeah, we have some games and stuff back in there. You have foosball, ping pong, all sorts of stuff, and inside there is a huge TV and all sorts of fun games. So I'll show you some more as we walk around. Here in Nashville, Tennessee, and yesterday we got a lot of things done. Walked around to a couple of breweries and just took in the city. Today we're going to head out and go check out some parks that are supposed to be memorable. Hopefully we'll get a chance to go up there and see that thing, the Capitol. But look forward to what today's adventures bring, so stay tuned.
Well, Charlotte is my birthday. It's been since spring. I can't believe it started on a front porch. It's just a swinging. Just a swinging. Oh, little Charlotte, she's pretty as the angels when they sing. Well, a long time ago, our great witness fell by the way. And won't you live every day?
Just hanging with my babe here on Broadway, all around the honky tonks. It's all about the honky tonks here. Woo. Losers Bar and Grill. Pretty dope.
I'll go on, girl. Do your thing. You ain't doing nothing wrong. I know it's late and I'm sorry. Now I ain't trying to get you back. Ain't mad at you, I'm just wondering how you moved on so fast. Cause I can't go out. There's only one bar in this town. I can't drive around. Cause every road runs by your house. I can't sleep alone, can't kill the lights. Understand how you act like the late nights, the loving and I love you never happened. Cause I can't. Oh, cause I can't. I've caught every bass in that creek. I mowed the grass 3 times this week. How long was it gonna be till I get back love it and I love you never happened 'cause I